I'd like to take this opportunity to talk to you about the importance of understanding lithium technology, because the future going forward, if you don't establish yourself on one platform, you'll end up with a multitude of different suppliers, different batteries, different chargers, and nothing interworks with the other product, and your workshop ends up a complete salad. With this, I would like to introduce you to the Metabo/CAS Cordless Alliance System platform, where we have over 17 different suppliers, manufacturers of power tools on this platform, as well as over 160 power tools already on these same batteries and chargers. This is what we refer to as a battery pack, which is made up of individual cells. Each cell is 3.6 volts. 5 cells in series totals 18 volts. The 18 volts refers to the strength of the battery pack. The next thing we talk about is the amp hours. And the amp hours refers to the tank, how long the range is of the battery, how many holes you can drill or how long you can cut with it. That is very dependent on how many rows of cells you have in. 1 row of cells would be a slimline battery, 4 amp hour. 2 rows would double up the amp hours, would make it an 8 amp hour. We as Metabo recommend never to go for 3 rows of cells due to the fact that the center row of cells emits heat to the outsides, and so heating up top and bottom rows, which will cause the battery pack to overheat and not reach its full potential and actually cut out due to heat overload. The next thing I want to touch on with this Metabo platform would be the M-Power technology. And the M-Power technology is this PC board up on top here, same as this battery, which does something that is patented to the Metabo platform: individual cell protection. Individual cell protection on charge, discharge, heat and overload protection. In short, what that means, when the first cell is fully charged, it stops charging that one cell and continues charging the other cells. Same as if a particular cell is overheating, it can shut the one cell down and continue using the rest of the cells, allowing your pack to still power your tool. And to protect this very intricate M-Power technology and all the electronics involved in it, this entire PC board, as you can see it here, has been epoxy coated so that any metal particles flying through this battery pack would not cause a short. The last improvement and benefit of the Metabo platform I'd like to focus on would be that the Metabo platform has predominantly moved over to the lithium high density, LHD platform. The improvements on it is that you'll get 67% more power out of this pack, as well as 87% more runtime. How we have achieved this is that your enemy in these packs is heat and resistance losses. If you look, first improvement is the individual cells are far superior cells, 21700 cells. Then all these tiny little wires you have resistance losses in. Now they have big plates, big rails instead of tiny little cabling. 80% of the material is copper, one of the best conductors. So that's same in the motor industry. When you refer to horsepower at the flywheel, is not the actual power you get at the back wheels of the car. The same thing, the 18 volt of these packs and of all our opposition would be the theoretical figure that this pack should produce. But due to all the losses, what you actually get out at the motor is slightly less. What we try to do is eliminate these losses so that you get that 67% more efficient power to your switch and motor. With these battery packs, we're so confident in our quality that we offer you a 3-year warranty irrespective of charge cycles.